Here we are in the 2024 Tesla Model 3 Performance. I believe these are called the Aero wheels, but I'm not sure. We're going to demonstrate this clicking noise at low speed. So we have a fairly quiet ambient noise. Some traffic going by. As we back up towards the garage, you'll be able to hear the reflected sound. Right then, I think the noise is actually coming from these wheel covers. So if you actually tap on them and pull them, it's making the same type of noise, which is kind of worrying because that would infer that the wheels are flexing. You see the combination of the 17mm going up into the sill. There's a plate at the bottom of that where it should rest up against, and then you've got positive contact with the Tesla. The reason I use a deep socket is what I found was using a regular socket, this would actually sit up on here and not on the plate. I was worried about damage to the vehicle, so good combination there. I do recommend getting the proper tool, but if you're in a pinch, do this. And then when jacking it up, make sure the car is on level ground. So the back jack up just enough so that you can spin the wheels, because we're actually going to try and get under the vehicle and pop them off from the back without taking the wheel off. That should be fun. Okay. Again, make sure the vehicle's on level ground. It should be alright. So all three of the other tyres are in contact with the ground. Okay, now I've put the wheel in free rolling mode, so we can turn those back wheels and pop those lids off. Again, make sure you're on flat ground. Can't emphasize this enough. Put some wheel chocks in front of the two front wheels if in doubt, or if you're on the other side of the hill, put it behind the two front wheels. Again, taking the covers off on the front. Run the rubber end of your hammer through the back of the wheel, and you're going to want to make a bit of contact about there, because this whole thing slides forward. So if we're going to do it, hold the camera. Don't have a cameraman yet. Oh, got the wrong one. Rotate the wheel slightly. Very easy. Those are very easy to pop off. These are a bit more difficult. The thing you can hear is like a speaker, I don't know why. But it sounds like ambient noise coming out. Yeah. You'll see some marks left behind. I believe that the ticking noise is coming, is causing those marks as the wheels move slightly. You don't want to scratch those up, but I intend not to put these back on my vehicle. I think it looks okay with the holes. What do you think? Here we go. I got more brake dust on me than that was actually on the wheels. Let's do this now. We're in reverse. And let's go backwards. Good silence is golden. So good. No ticking whatsoever. Definitely the wheel covers, guys. You can tell the arrows are off. There's big piles of them in my garage. One of them went flying under one of the other cars. But yep. No more ticking. Beautiful. Silence is gone. I'm just wondering how much of that you can actually hear at high speed. Or is it even affected? Or does it even make the sounds at high speed? I don't really know. But yep, you can see there's no covers in there. A little bit of noise when turning the wheel, but nowhere near as bad. Beautiful.